Hi guys, today we are doing Guess the Sprunky. Now get in the camera, bro. Come here. They all wanna see your face. Now you can just do that. But you can, wait, we know where to go. We can just go right here. And then,
Yeah, we're just looking for a spot.
okay, now flip the iPad. How to stand it up. Oh,
Okay.
no, wait, no. Like the other way. Like the other way. How to do it.
Did it correct.
And then we flip it like this. Okay, guys, I'm sorry. We have to flip it. Okay, now, guys, today we are doing Guess the Sprunky sound. Now, come in. Okay, today we are doing Guess the Sprunky sound, and there's loads of Sprunkies. So, how about we just get into it?
Wait, why does go? No, how?
Simon, I sometimes get confused with that because Simon and Mr. Fun Computer kind of sounds like the same.
Yeah,
Because they have the same beat. But like Mr. Fun Computer, I know him because he has words. But Simon just has the beat of Mr. Fun Computer. I can't really hear because like it's connected to his hearing aid, Reggie's hearing aid. So guys, I might get some of them wrong. Am I gonna get some of them right? Yeah, I know. Yes, sir. Let me move you guys down here. Oh, that's Wanda. Wanda, sound is kind of like a dog. Like she's barking. And guys, they missed a character. They missed Ratty, like Mr. Black. I don't know why they missed Ratty and Orin. That's confusing, right?
Mm-hmm.
Whoever's YouTube channel is this, why did you delete it?
Picky.
Piggy.
Of course, it's Picky.
Obviously it's Pinky, because if you just said bunny, oh my gosh, that is so easy. You just gave out the right answer. That's not a clue, that's an answer. Oh, that's
Football.
Yeah, Fumble. Because like he has a charging bit that goes right and back. Because like that's how you charge him. And if you charge him, that makes noise. And it goes forward, backwards. Obviously it's fast because he's a robot and he knows how to sync any speed. Clucker. Because you want to know how that's Clucker? Because he has that round thing. And if
It's a symbol.
Yeah, it's a symbol. And if you flip the symbol, it'll make a sound. Because that maybe has magnets in it.
A clucker.
Yeah.
That's not how you spell clucker.
Oh my gosh, how did they not know how to spell Clucker? They in the like near the K you add an E and then the
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's how you do it. So it's K O and then the curly K and then the cooking K and E That's how you spell Clucker properly, guys. Veneria. I see, but I don't see it because you move it. It does not make a sound, but look, her mouth is not doing anything. Then she starts to go in and enjoys with the beat and follows the beat. Oh, Brad. Guys, I think he's dumb because he has that bucket on like the whole like day and hours and like he has it in every Sprunky mod and that like every Sprunky like phases. Yeah, that's how you spell it. It's just 4 letters.
Bread.
Yeah.
But it's really bread.
Oh, that's Arnold.
Goggles.
But he's missing something. Where's that like
Goggles.
yeah, his goggles.
Where is it? I can see it when they went on that like.
Wow, he's showing his reveal. Now he's bald. And then now he has his goggles on.
I can see what's to do with real.
But he takes his goggles off, then he put it back on. Maybe he was embarrassed. Oh, that's easy. That's definitely Awax. Awax.
Not a lot. Just 5.
Yeah, just 5.
Yep.
So far, we did not got Mr. Funky Peter. I am surprised. Well, he's at the bottom row, so it might take ages. Sky. 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 Because in phase 2, he has like a hole for his head that makes that sound. So he has a magnet inside of his body so he can make that sound. So when he moves, like that symbol Clicker had, then he can just move. Or he has a magnet in his mouth. So when he speaks, it makes a sound. Oh, that's Mr. Fun. Mr. Sun. Guys, I'm nearly getting them wrong because I cannot hear it. So it's not my fault. Not my fault. It's definitely Tunner or Mr. Fun Computer. I'm guessing Tunner. It's definitely Tunner's after this. I'm guessing. Go Durple. And in phase 3, he's like a lizard. And guys,
can see it because my tablet connected
and guys,
to my hair.
we're only not doing this one. We're doing phase 2, phase 3. We're only going to up to phase 3, guys.
Yeah. I love double sound.
Yeah. And especially I like his phase 3.
Yeah.
Oh,
Mr.
that's
Trey.
Trey. I can see. But in phase 2, I'm sure he makes a so that's where like the branches break. So see how he doesn't have any branches, but he has that like thing, that log. Then he adds some bushes to connect it. Maybe get some super glue. Oh my gosh, Tunner.
That is so much of color.
Yeah.
Color
Now
is-
then after is Mr. Funky Beater. I knew it was Tunner, guys. I knew it was Tunner.
I know
Bro.
every single Spunky.
Yeah, me and Reggie know every single Spunky, right, Reggie?
Yeah.
Yes. Bro's Mr. Fun Computer.
Mr. Fun Computer.
Bro, that's easy.
Yeah.
You don't even need to say the beat. We can just tell. Look, and look, the name's right there, Mr. Fun Computer. Easy. And guys, what? Is there more time? Okay, guys, we are going to phase 2. Okay, we are back into phase 2.
Pinky.
Hey, Pinky, Pinky, Pinky.
Wait, why does Papa look like he's normal?
Yeah, I know. He's the only one without a rip on his face, a scratch, not even nothing. He's just muted. Muted, that's all. If I was muted for the rest of the day, I would be fine. I know. Mr. Black is... Wait, why is Mr. Black... Funbot. Why would Mr. Black be in here?
Oh, here's that.
And Simon, he just have a wide mouth. That's all. He's basically just normal with Durple. dang, my breath is dead. I have 200 IQ, man.
Yeah, I have like most IQ because I know every single cookie.
Yes, bro. Guys, this might take Garnold, bro. Guys, honestly, I am just tired today. Because we just make videos all day, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. And guys, this is good that you're watching this because you are learning beats. So if you're going CapCut, anything like that, you can get you can record this and put the beat onto CapCut or whatever you have, BandLab, and you can just put it there to have your own beat. And guys, one of you are actually mean because in one of our videos said 0 out of 10 bad. It's so bad. Hey Reggie?
Yeah.
That is so disrespectful. But I'm glad you didn't comment any bad stuff to us, and thank you for supporting us, guys. You are good. But if you're watching this and you're the guy who called us 0 out of 10, it's so bad. Why are you watching this? Just get out of this channel and do not be a fan. That's all.
Yeah, because you called us bad.
Yes. And what's the point of watching all of our videos?
Black.
Black doesn't really have a sound because he doesn't really have a mouth. So he can just hum.
Just wait till you can make a black, guys. Look at that face.
Look. See, and he doesn't even have a mouth. That's why I just sing. Holy moly, bro.
What do you mean?
Veneria, bro. That's easy. That sounds like the first one from phase 1. Bro, I need to scratch my butt right now. Guys, we also having a battle in the bath. Right. Yeah.
Bro, look how scared it is.
Oh, that's murder. Because that's easy. Because he has actual words in his. Like somebody may typed it up, hacked the thing, and made it more creepier into the internet. Post it on the internet, and they're like, "Oh, I never did it. Someone did this. Someone did this to him." And that is acting normal. Clucker. Bro, guys, Clucker is obviously dead, bro. Look at his eyes. Oh, no. Don't show me Clucker. No. Oh, no. Even his brains out. Oh, my God. Oh, my gosh. Probably got brainwashed. Brainwashed. Guys, brainwash means that you cannot remember anything. So it's basically like you lost a memory.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. I didn't remember to come home mouth again.
Well, just wait until you see phase 3. Phase 3, his mouth is so big. But wait until you see phase 3, Mr. Black.
Oh, is that like Sammy? But it's just like.
Guys, we have our phone right here to show you proof who commented this. And guys, if you're the one who commented this, I swear, if you're from our school, I swear,
we will slap your juicy butt and get to put you guys to the moon.
Yes, because we done judo today. And we were like, pa, pa, pa. Okay, now guys, Yeah, so now we are going to show you. So let me write up Reggie and Caden.
Or it could be like
And guys, one of you hacked into our accounts. I'm just going to write Caden and Reggie.
Yeah, just like that, and then let's see if it goes there.
Yeah, it still comes up, Caden and Reggie.
Yeah. Still comes up.
We have 43 subscribers, guys. Thank you for subscribing. We appreciate it so much. But guys, you could not be hating on that.
I think it was like that ready for 2.0.5. That was like it. I think it was that one.
No. Yeah. It's definitely that one. Definitely that one.
Yep.
Definitely. But guys, 2 of you like, which is really good to our community. And guys, we started a community. If you really want to join our community, just comment in the community. Now guys, as me and Reggie was doing this video, look, 0 out of 10, boys. I'm not sure that you can see that, but it says 0 out of 10.
I can see it.
It's so bad, someone said. And his name is Rizma Risky 2505. Now 6 days ago he measured that. So if you're doing that, one of you doing that, you're doomed.
That's obviously Kevin.
Yeah, it's obviously.
Oh, and Kevin's a survivor.
And
We just lost the guys.
yeah, he's a survivor, bro.
Yeah.
He is a W man. But guys, the reason why they're all phase 2, because Mr. Black sent them a mission. They said, blow up somebody's house. And if you don't, I will turn you into phase 2. So they didn't do it because they felt bad for the house. So that's why Mr. Black infected everyone. But obviously, Funbot did it. He blowed up the house. Obviously, Gray done it. Durpo done it. Javin done it.
For the mouth. It's so big.
And obviously, Simon did it. Well, he didn't because his mouth is so wide, bro. Mr. Sun.
Look at him.
Let's go. But that's easy, man. Okay, wait.
Wait, I didn't even hear that. It's great.
Yeah, it's great.
Of course it's great. Because he's a survivor.
Yeah, and he does that in phase 1 too. Hey guys, I'll show you the community if you have one. Guys, you can go on the website and you can do this QR code for me and Reggie's YouTube channel. And if you really want to be a member, maybe do this QR code, I'm not sure.
Well, we'll put some of our videos to members only.
Yes. And subscribers.
Yeah.
So look guys, that's our YouTube channel.
But, yeah.
Simon,
He
definitely.
doesn't like a big mouth. But not the same as Dumbo. He just has like big mouth and have teeth.
Brother?
So what's my Simon?
Right, Reggie, do you know what you call a McDonald's with a quarter pounder?
No.
A diaper with sticky claws. Hey yo!
How do you do that?
Guys, we're just gonna skip this video. Guys, just to tell you what, we cannot do it all the way to phase 3 because it would take too long. But luckily we got to phase 2 though. And guys, like and subscribe. And we are out, boys.